for those of you who joined late, my name is Tim Werner. I am from the CITE office. I've worked with the Alfred University Counseling Program since it started in 2006. And we're just here to answer some questions about the program and to discuss, discuss some of the details of the program. The Alfred University School Counseling Program is a 48 credit master's degree, which will get you provisionally certified as a New York State school guidance counselor. Alfred University is a fully accredited university. Courses are offered on Saturdays in Brooklyn or Sundays in Brooklyn, Saturdays in Oceanside, Long Island, and Saturdays in Westchester. You may choose any one of those dates. As of right now, the program will start on July 26th on campus at Alfred University. This is one of your 2 required residencies. During that time on campus, you will complete a course. Obviously, with everything that's going on, we are evaluating if that is the best decision to go forward with that. But as of right now, that is still scheduled. However, we are fully capable of offering that course online. If that's the best decision, we will make that. I will share the program schedule with you all so that you can take a look at how the program works. So the program starts this summer on campus at Alfred University for Counseling 602. During the regular school year, you will take 3 graduate courses, 9 graduate credits per semester. These are offered on Saturdays or Sundays. In the second semester of the program, you are required to participate in the first of your 2 field experiences and practicum. In February 27th, you will start your practicum in conjunction with Counseling 604, which is your Foundations of School Counseling. This practicum is 100 hours that must be done in a school building under the supervision of a New York State certified school guidance counselor. During the summer, you will see that you have to go back to campus for the second of your 2 required residencies. This takes place either July 3rd through the 10th or July 11th through the 18th. However, you will have the remainder of the summer off after that. And in your final year of the program, you do what is called your advanced counseling courses and your internship in counseling, which is 300 hours, which must be done under the supervision of a New York State certified guidance counselor in a school. So some of those people who joined in late, I have my colleague on in the open house with me, Atiya Dortch.
Yes, hi newcomers, how are you?
I just wanted to let you know that we have interviews coming up on April 8th, the 18th and the 20th, correct me if I'm wrong?
Yep, that's correct.
The 18th and the 20th, you are, if you would like to schedule an interview, you can certainly contact Atiya at atiya@citeonline.com. I will also be following up and emailing you all of this after the call, but feel free to reach out to Atiya to schedule an interview for the program if you are interested. So.
Yes, and that's for all programs, for the CAS in mental health and the Master's in School Counseling or Public Administration. I don't think anybody is interested in that here, but yes, you can definitely reach out to me.